Hello everyone.
We are back with an interesting topic: RCA connectors. Actually, what are RCA connectors? A standard type of cable used to transmit analog audio and video signals between devices, such as game console systems, televisions, satellite or cable receivers, VCRs, speakers, and more. The name RCA derives from the Radio Corporation of America, which introduced the design by the early 1940s for internal connection of the pickup to the chassis in home radio phonograph consoles. Typically RCA cables will have 2 or 3 color-coded connectors. RCA audio cables have 2 connectors, red and white or black, while RCA video cable have 1 or more connectors. Based on picture quality, the video connectors are red, green, blue, yellow, white. Based on quality of signals, the connectors are 2 types: 1. Composite, 2 component. Coming to composite. In this type, there will be 3 connectors: red for right audio, white or black for left audio, yellow for video. In this, standards of the signal are like 480i NTSC or 576i PAL. Coming to the component, in this, there will be 3 video lines: red, green, blue. 2 audio lines: red, white, or black. Standards of the signal are likely 480p, 576p, 720p, 1080p, or even higher. Note: 2 red lines will distinguish differently, since RCA connectors transmit analog or non-digital signal. Because of this, they cannot plug directly into a computer or other digital device. But RCA cables connect amplifiers to all sets of devices. Coming to quality of RCA cables. Connectors materials. Commonly, the materials used for connectors are gold, silver, and copper. In case of preventing oxidation, gold better than silver and copper. But for conducting electricity, silver is better than gold and copper. So, the usage is up to our requirement. Other materials, like nickel, zinc, tin, are also suitable. Cable length. If the cable length is more, then the quality of signal will low. If the cable length is less, then the quality of signal will high. Shielding. If the shielding between inner insulation and outer insulation is good, then there will be no noise interruption. And these are the factors to be considered for quality of RCA cables.